Laurie here from ABI Interiors, and today we're in Paddington, Brisbane. You might remember Bella House, which was a home we toured a little while ago. Well, this project is by the same team. And much like that was, this is a contemporary renovation of a classic Queenslander home. It's absolutely stunning inside. Come and check it out. Now we enter the property through this oversized front door. And can we just take a moment for this stunning door handle? We will see this marble a little later on as well. So before we get to the main living, there is a little bit to see down this hallway. You've got the laundry and the powder room straight away, the gorgeous green marble Kit Kat, which we will see again soon. And then the first of the bedrooms. Now this bedroom does have an ensuite attached, and I do love the palette in there. It's very warm. So they've included a small void here which just sends light into this kitchen area. It's a very clever architectural inclusion. And then holy moly, we need to talk about this stone. So this is a Montreal marble. Isn't the colouring just divine? You've got these green tones and blushes. It's very warm and earthy. It pairs so well with the brushed nickel. I don't think they could have done another finish with this. I think that just matches perfectly. Around the corner you've got the butlers, and they've actually used the same Kit Kat that we saw in the powder and the laundry, but in a travertine finish. So into the main living area here, and you can really see that this home was designed around bringing that indoor-outdoor flow. All around the outskirts of this indoor spaces here, you've got these almost floor-to-ceiling windows that open out onto the outdoor entertaining. You've got a barbecue out here, massive undercover area. And then I love that they've continued this travertine floor tile all the way out. It just makes it feel really seamless. This isn't the only living space in this home. There's actually two more to see, and one of them is just here. So this is the formal sitting area with a study attached. I do love the inclusion of the inbuilt bench seating there, just giving the room a bit of a point of difference. Let's head upstairs. Now this isn't the master, but I do think that it might be my favourite bedroom of the house. Isn't it just so sweet? You've got the VJ paneling on the wall, even a slight pitch, and then this balcony which has that traditional weatherboard out here. I love this room. It's just so quintessentially Queenslander, but there is a lot more to see on this level. So we've got the third bedroom off to my right, and this balustrade here is actually the top of the void that we saw downstairs, so you can peek through, see all the way to the dining and kitchen. Behind you there is the fourth bedroom with its own ensuite attached. And here we have the upstairs living. So this could be a teenage retreat or a media room. I love this big bench seat in here. You can just sit here, look over the pool, read a book, and getting a glimpse of some of that stunning architecture as well, which I love. It's very light filled in here. And down here is the main bathroom. Now for a room with only one small window, it still feels very light and airy in here. That's because they've included a strip skylight above the vanity. It's really just brightening up that space and bringing out all the texture, the tiles and the stone. Now I just love this. This nib wall curves around with the freestanding bath. This feels really special. And then these tiles here are actually the floor tiles that we saw downstairs. And I love that amongst these beige tones, there are these little specks of grey. They just pair so perfectly with that nickel. It really balance each other out. And finally, we enter the master. Now the walk-in robe wraps the whole way behind this dividing wall. Just so much storage in there. And just wow. Look at that, the cutout in the wall just framing that ensuite. Like we just saw in the main bathroom with that nib wall following the freestanding bath, they've actually done that again here with this big circular ukiyo. It's those small details that really elevate the space. It makes it feel really well designed and polished. massive thank you to Kodiak Projects for allowing us to another one of their incredible builds. And for myself personally, I just want to say a big thanks to ABI because I've got some sad but exciting news. This will actually be my last house tour with ABI as I move into the next chapter of my life, which is doing something that I love, doing my photography. But I can't thank ABI enough, and I can't thank you, the viewers, enough for allowing us to grow these house tours into something we never would have imagined 3 years ago. It's just wild to have gone on this journey with you and the team. It's been a pleasure and a privilege to take you through these homes. So as my final farewell, bye guys, I miss you already.